Here's everything I eat on a training day to get 300 grams of protein. Quick credential check. Let's go. These are the ingredients for my post workout meal, which also breaks my fast. I start by boiling some bone broth, which I use instead of water to cook rice because it's gas. White rice is where I get my carbs to repair muscle fibers, and I use this ozone cleaner to remove any pesticides. Once the broth is boiling, pour my rice in, let it simmer till it's almost completely absorbed so it stays a little juicy. Now, my protein, I love venison. I know what you're thinking. I used to feel the same way, but it is packed with nutrients and insanely good when you dress it up. All right, let's mix this shit up. Glass container always. Pickles for crunch and some sweetness, fermented vegetables for probiotics, Celtic salt and coconut aminos for flavor, and this bowl literally tastes like a cheeseburger when it's done. Now, dessert, raw honey, cottage cheese, and blueberries joined together in a perfect love triangle. And it's ready to devour. Now, supplements, I keep it simple, focusing only on things not in the foods that I eat. Dinner time, we're dicing up sweet potatoes, little coconut oil, and of course, have to hit it with some more salt. Organic air-chilled chicken breast is the protein of the evening. Gonna slice that up and throw it in the bowl after roasting the potatoes in the oven. Then I went with the cucumber, so we're gonna chop her up, throw it in, and finally added some medjool dates. I could eat a box of those things. Little chocolate for dessert, and I meal prepped this since I was coaching kids soccer. Now it's ready to roll in the fridge. Here is a breakdown of meal one for macros and calories. There's meal two, and there's total calories and nutrients for the day. Make sure to like and follow. I'll post another video soon. Peace.